In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to delete Fairmoney account. So let's say, for example, you literally don't know what's going on with your Fairmoney account and you're just interested in deleting the account. All you just have to do, just click on the top left profile beside welcome to Fairmoney. So once you click on that, it's gonna take you to this page right here for profile. So there is no particular option where it says that you should close or delete your Fairmoney account, but then on this support center you can see need help, chat with FA, or on the about Fairmoney bank. So what you're gonna do is just click on need help, chat with FA bank. So on this page right here is where you can actually chat with Fairmoney support and let them know that you're just interested in closing your account. Then you tell them the reason why you are very much interested in closing your account, and they definitely do that for you. And make sure when you are trying to close your or delete your account on Fairmoney, make sure you are not owing them any money, and also make sure you don't have any available fund in your Fairmoney account. But if you do not have access to withdraw that money, and if of course you have a loan inside your account and you still want to close your account, that means you have to pay back the loan before you will be able to close that account. So that is how it works.